If someone asks you to make a list of high-protein foods, you'd probably mention chicken, fish, eggs, and Greek yogurt. Well, I'm going to show you 10 foods with a surprisingly high level of protein. I'm Clint Grimes. Let's get started. Number 1, sweet potatoes. Are they a starch or a protein? Turns out sweet potatoes have both. There are 4 grams of protein in a cup of baked sweet potatoes, which is about as much as a half a cup of low-fat milk. Sweet potatoes are a rich source of fiber as well as containing an array of vitamins and minerals, including iron, calcium, selenium, and they're a good source of most B vitamins and vitamin C. Number 2, artichoke hearts. Artichoke hearts contain 4 grams of protein. To save yourself the trouble of all that trimming and peeling, choose frozen, jarred, or canned artichoke hearts. They are nutritious, providing an excellent source of fiber, vitamin K, and folate, a very good source of vitamin C and magnesium, and a good source of manganese and potassium. Artichokes are an excellent source of many phytonutrients, including antioxidants. Number 3, black bean burgers. With 72% less fat than regular ground beef patties and with 9 grams of protein, it's perfect for spicing up any meal. Regular ground beef contains 15 grams total fat per serving. Black bean burgers are much healthier than a traditional hamburger, especially one you might get at a restaurant. Black bean burgers are packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals, but are much lower in fat and cholesterol than a traditional ground beef burger. Number 4, leafy greens. Popeye was right, spinach is muscle food, serving up 5 grams protein per cooked cup, and other greens aren't far behind. You'll get 4 grams protein from a cup of cooked collard greens and 3 grams from a cup of cooked Swiss chard. Brussels sprouts will not only provide 3.4 grams of protein, you can get fiber and other nutrients from this leafy green like magnesium, iron, calcium, and vitamin K. Number 5, goat cheese. Goat cheese isn't just a tasty way to get your calcium, it's also a surprisingly good source of protein with 6 grams of protein per ounce. That's as much as a large egg. The fatty acids in goat cheese are metabolized faster than cow's cheese, which means that the body feels full faster. Researchers have found evidence that choosing goat cheese over cow helps people feel less hungry and eat less overall, which is an important factor in fat loss. Number 6, whole wheat pasta. You'll never look at your noodles as just a big bowl of carbs again. Why? Because a cup of whole wheat pasta also contains 7.5 grams of protein. Whole wheat pasta is healthier than white pasta because it's packed with nutrients such as complex carbs, protein, fiber, iron, magnesium, and zinc. On the other hand, white pasta is made of refined carbs, meaning it has been stripped of many nutrients during its processing. Number 7, peas. You might not think of them as a nutrient powerhouse, but a cup of green peas packs a whopping 8 grams of protein, more than any other vegetable. Unless you come across freshly picked ones at the farmer's market, buy frozen. They're just as nutritious, and they often taste sweeter since they're flash frozen at the peak of freshness. Peas are a good source of vitamin C and E, zinc, and other antioxidants that strengthen your immune system. Number 8, quinoa. Whole grains can give your meal a protein boost, especially quinoa. It delivers 8 grams of protein per cooked cup, along with hard-to-get minerals such as iron and magnesium. Quinoa makes a nutty, satisfying base for grain and veggie bowls, but you can also cook it in milk and eat it like oatmeal, topped with fresh fruit, nuts, and a drizzle of honey. Got leftover cooked quinoa in the fridge? Try folding it into pancakes, muffins, or quick bread batters. Number 9, pumpkin seeds. These seeds aren't just crunchy and delicious, they're also loaded with protein, around 9 grams per 1/4 cup. Pumpkin seeds contain omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, antioxidants, and fiber. This combination has benefits for both the heart and liver. The fiber in pumpkin seeds helps lower the amount of cholesterol in the blood and decrease the risk of heart disease. Number 10, Parmesan cheese. Everyone's favorite hard cheese isn't just packed with flavor, it's also packed with protein, 10 grams per ounce to be exact. It's rich in vitamins and minerals like calcium, vitamin A, vitamins B6 and B12, phosphorus, zinc, and copper. It's great for fat management and has more calcium than any other cheese. It's also a low lactose food, so some people who are sensitive to dairy may be able to eat it. Like this video if you like it, and click on this video to discover 6 ways to avoid exercise burnout. That's it. That's all. See you next time.